Gator or a dolphin or what?
It'd be a gator.
Let's have a look.
That was.
They're just cool, calm, collected. The wave spits past him, and then he comes out.
That's a youth one, right?
You got this from Baby Gaps, right? Baby Gap?
That was a gigantic. Unbelievable. You got scales on this side, Jeff. Oh, he's right here.
This is the go home fish.
Yeah, it's not. I can't reel nothing in.
I rig them right side up because I've hooked so many that I can get it perfect. But one of the easiest ways to hook this horny toad straight
Something ate the snake. No way.
Nice cap.
People look at you like you's the user, selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser, but they don't know about.
you're gonna grab his tail tip. There he goes. Pour him out that warm water.
Gonna put this glove on.
Striped catfish. And these are piranhas. Okay, the chili's in the back. Goddamn, man.
Surface within feet of their kayak. In the video, one onlooker can be heard.
After it began taking on water, everyone on board was wearing their life jackets when a...
I don't even want to put it in the water.
Oh, that's a big one.
It's by them. Everything happened so quickly and in high.
Like this little puppy. That jaw is huge. Full of...
Fighting me back as I'm bending it over. That's for slower moving baits. This. What was that? It's a Mako.
By the rogue Salty around 5 in the morning.
I hit against his boat and then splashed on the side of my boat.
Here it comes, guys. That's a...
He is from Stevenson, Washington State. The DLNR says he's a part-time...
Come back in the water, big boy.
Surgical on that bad boy right there. Pulled it up.
Oh, I see. Look at that nose shot. Big eyeballs. Look at
bait when Brett reeled in a huge shark. He somehow managed to pull the shark out of the water and balance it on his kayak. This is where...
Here in the low country, there's something about skiff etiquette you need to know. Normally when you're pulling up on fish, they're extremely...
You know what they say. Never disturb your guests, especially the crazy ones. No offense to anyone out there. The men...
He's in the cage.
Still a kitty.
still a kid.
Powerful they are, but you know, a 20-pounder, that's like within the bass world.
Get it, bud. There's a fish. That, goddamn, is a real.
Yeah, he's right here.
Right in front of us, Jason.
All right, I'm gonna show you how it's done, dude, because you haven't caught one yet.
No, you show me how it's done,
All right,
dude.
so now, who's gonna get the first one up to the boat?
He's gonna be a lot bigger. He's gonna feel even bigger than he does. See.
Fuck, I thought that would work.
I'm getting good at time. Flying off.
Did you get that? Oh!
Oh, this is unreal. Mako just jumped on.
Barely got him.
Yep.
White man speaking fork down, isn't it? Or not?
Fish is officially the largest ever caught with a rod and reel.
You're throwing them up on the bank because you can't hold on to them for a slick bugger.
Those are the ones you eat. I hate them.
Skipjack, also known as a ladyfish or banana fish.
Nobody owns the ocean, but you own the intellectual capital that you have earned with your blood and sweat.
26 teams out there with 2 more hours of fishing. So a lot of fun.
It was completely unreal. I don't know, the rest was sort of more religious than like a angling experience.
You can go and swim in virtually no water. We got super lucky to sneak up and capture some of that footage for you on.
It's the biggest shark they've seen so far. 11.5.
A kayaker was peacefully securing his catch in a bag, completely unaware.
It's been a tough 24 hours with relentless rain, lightning storms, and raging.
This is good size. I can see. Oh, I see the flank. Oh yeah. Slacking off the drag a little bit.
Catfishing requires incredible patience, strength, and mastery of the catfish lip.
They're not a fish right now.
Hit me in the chest.
Jeff, you want?
Colt, I like this one. I don't want to kill it.
No, that's good.
Should we let it go?
See him. That's a good one. That's my PB, right?
Oh, broke my rod and everything. How am I going to do this? Okay.
Miraculously, the people in the kayak survived to tell their whale of a tale.
On the boat! Oh my gosh! That's a nice Mako!